Okay, in today's session, let's try a few problems. Actually, in this case, I picked few questions like this, quite similar to each other. So I'm trying to find a pattern between these functions. But first of all, to integrate tan inverse x, so arctan x, so we do have a method, right? That is actually integration by parts. That's not a problem. You can easily integrate this one using integration by parts. So 1 into tan inverse x, because we need two functions. So I'm happy to integrate one and I want to differentiate tan inverse x. Hence, 1 is the dv over dx function, or some people use dv. Then tan inverse x is my u function, tan inverse x. Because it's difficult to integrate tan inverse x. That's why I chose tan inverse x as my u function, because then we can differentiate that one. 1 over 1 plus x squared. Then integration of 1 like this equals to x. Then we can apply that formula. That's not the question. That's not a difficult part, right? So here's the formula. Now, if you want to use the other formula, that's also fine, right? Then we can easily complete this. Now, in this case, u is tan inverse x, dv over dx equals to 1, right? So this function is 1 dx. Then uv tan inverse x, that is u, times p, that's x, minus x times du over dx is 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. Then we can easily integrate that function. It's quite easy because we have x in the numerator. So I'm happy to create the derivative of the denominator in the numerator. That is 2x. So I can easily create that here. The derivative of 1 plus x squared is 2x. So let's create that. Then I think we can easily complete this. Go to multiply and divide by 2, like this. I did not change anything. Then we can easily integrate that one. I'm going to take half out. Then 2x is basically the derivative of 1 plus x squared. If you want to, you can use a substitution, but that's not necessary. This is basically natural log of 1 plus x squared. But actually, yeah, that's correct. Like this, plus c. But now I want you to identify a pattern between tan inverse x, tan inverse square root of x, and these functions. I'll show you. There is a pattern actually. I think you can identify something for all of these functions. By observing that, we can find a method to integrate these functions. I'm going to explain that in the next session. Thank you very much.